Previously on Deakinators channel.
Bloody hell, Deakinator.
So, Even's Deeks' apprentice today.
They're trying to bully me into vlogging.
I can't breathe. Oh my god.
Boys are back. The boys
I'm fine, dude. Deeks, dude. It's early today, but I'll tell you what, it's for good reason, isn't it?
Sure day, mate.
It's my day, dude. It's my day, and today...
Where our other teammate is quick.
Oh, he's having a wee, or is he having a poo?
Yeah, go on, do it. Do it, don't be scared.
He's locked the door. We've had enough toilets for the last couple of days.
Oh man, it's solid as a rock.
Good news. We're heading up Cotopaxi to ride down a volcano today. This is probably, if I'm honest, the highlight of my trip. You know, when I looked at the itinerary, this was the thing that I was most excited about. So I'm very excited to be sharing it with the Deakinator.
And the Earthinator.
And the Earthinator.
Guten Morgen, Sonnenschein. Weck mich auf und komm herein.
Buenos dias.
Oh,
What can you do?
not again. Hey Basco,
Hey,
we're going 5,000 metres today. Are you a bit worried about breathing, or are you alright?
A little bit worried, not gonna lie.
Yeah, what about
Especially because I
temperature?
can't breathe at like 200 meters. So yeah.
Bikes are loaded up. Damn. I think he's eating an egg.
Yeah.
He is, yeah.
The egg's gone.
I was just wondering where the egg comes from.
They stole it from the neighbors.
Did he steal it?
Yeah.
He actually steal it?
He actually stole it.
You are some guy.
Yeah.
Give me that back.
You can take her. There's no seeds, no stems, just that sticky, icky coca leaf.
So this is for altitude sickness.
Yeah, it's amazing.
So there's actual steam coming out the side that's volcanic steam, right?
That's it.
Oh wow, you can really see it.
It's like chicken feed.
Do it on 3 times. That's gnarly.
It's absolutely unbelievable.
So this is like lichen that grows, fungal lichen.
Exactly.
Amazing. Wow. So we're going up and up and up, and we're not at the top yet. You getting nervous?
Not yet, but we will when we do our first 10 seconds sprint and we can't breathe anymore.
True.
The higher we get, and as farther that we go up, the farther we go up, and we're going to be higher than we were right now the higher we go up, as long as we keep going up.
Oi oi. Oh, it's snowing out. Holy.
Welcome to the UK.
Yeah, baby steps.
Everything, because of the altitude, really.
Okay. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's time to go now. We're very high, it's very cold. Thanks for sticking with us. Something, peace. This is the highest I've ever been now. Highest I've been. I'm out of breath. You?
You literally just start baby step.
Yeah.
10 seconds later, you're out of breath.
Need a walk.
Look at that, man.
Yeah.
It's so open. It doesn't even look downhill when it gets to there, but it's like we've got a lot descending to do, huh? This is it, dropping in.
Right.
I'm hyped.
We are boys.
We ride the focus homies and
Yes, dude.
Send it!
Yeah, Tony. Yeah! Oh, it is off! Oh, yeah! my goodness! Wow! Dude! Oh man! God! Dear Lord! Yeah! No. Literally like, is it like a sponge?
Yeah, it feels like. He said it didn't know please.
Feels so nice to turn on. Slippery rocks!
I feel like I'm getting too confident.
Yeah, innit? And then you get to a bit like that and you know the feeling of like sliding down rocks. Alright, this is the problem with this kind of riding. Like I did actually look at this and think there might be a way down. I mean,
Oh my.
a certain death. And I'm glad I made the right decision. Let's follow the guide. Wow! Oh my god! That is gnarly! Yeah, we're riding slow here. We're chilling, dude. Holy! Yeah! Deek's a good dog.
Anyone
All
seen
good,
it?
mate.
Anyone seen a phone box on the way up?
He scratches stabs.
I'm pissed off, actually.
Come on. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh my god! Oh! Wow!
Right, about to drop in then.
Yeah, boys. Oh! Dude! What on earth? Oh my days!
It's like
That is like
down the river. How did that rock get there? How did that rock
spat out the top of that mountain?
I think it did.
Really? And it was like, whoa, that is fast! Holy! Wow! He's got it, he's got it!
Drops and we're gonna go
Yeah.
and down those, and then we're gonna come through and we're gonna stop, and then they're gonna move, and then we're gonna just hike back up just for momentum's
Nice,
sake,
dude.
and then we're gonna drop it in this.
Chill hard, she's steep. You all good?
Going like this.
Yeah, boys. Unreal, the meadows, dude. Yeah, I mean, he just bombs through bushes and that. Here's what free riding is, just bomb through bushes. Oh, now we're on this stuff. Back to the bus. I swear every direction we go in is downhill. It's
bizarre really, because this looks completely flat to me. I mean, that amount of elevation's like nothing I've ridden, if I'm honest. I've ridden at elevation, but not that amount. It's huge. Yes, bro. Estuvimos ahí como yo me perdí. Got this dog. See you in a bit! Wow, what a day, Deeks.
That was really cool actually, really sick.
Thoroughly enjoyed it. We've stopped off at the bike park on our way back. You might as well join us for a lap. Coming up in the next video, we have...
Bikes
Coming up
are all
on
loaded.
Deakinators channel.
Yeah, guys.
Come on, girls.
I mean, he's quite clearly got a knob.
Oh my god! Who's next then? We're working our way to the next trail. Look how cool this is. So sick.
Yes.
More fun.
Am I running?
No. Think so. So.
Yeah, you are. Oh, so much spray. Oh no, he's off. We are on.
We're getting it.
All right, here we go.
Even with that gap, I knew I'd nearly hit you.
Thank you very much.
Jump, still on.